All right, so here's the problem that I'm having with this Tesla. I bought it wrecked, 1,500 miles. I did a bunch of work, pretty much put the whole interior back together. And then in the front, got a new radiator, swapped it all out. And then the coolant was on the normal right here. So I added more thinking it would go into the radiator, but it's not going. And I don't know if you can hear it. Like there's like a noise coming from here, and it sounds like it's trying to push the coolant downward, but it's just not doing it. I don't know if you can hear that noise. Even when I take off the battery, it still does it. The only way the noise stops is if I disconnect the battery underneath the seat. The main one right here. So let me try that. Keep closing. So that's the noise that it's making, and it's not putting the coolant into the radiator. So if any of you guys have any tips or suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. I ordered the pressure coolant filler thing, so I will be trying that out in a couple of days. But if there's an easier way, let me know in the comment section below. So hopefully you guys can help out.